Hello plant parents, welcome to my new episode of Seeds of Life. It's winter coming in, and we need to start preparing about it. I promise you that I'll teach you how to grow your own food, and today I'll talk about 10 vegetables you should have or you can easily grow at home. So let's talk about those 10 winter vegetables which all of us consume at homes and we can easily grow in your balconies, in your terraces or in your backyard. And this is the best time in September to start sowing it and start working around it. So let's start and talk about all of this 10 seeds packet. So the first seed packet we have is about capsicum. I think everybody likes capsicum. मेरे घर में कैप्सिकम की बहुत सारी सब्जियां बनती हैं, स्पेशली विद आलू के साथ कैप्सिकम्स के सैंडविचेस में यूज़ होता है. एंड आई थिंक एवरी हाउस नीड्स अ कैप्सिकम एंड दिस वेराइटी डज वेरी गुड इन टर्म्स ऑफ द ग्रोथ एंड दिस इज द बेस्ट टाइम राइट यू नीड टू सो इट. As I told, you can start doing the sowing right now and start the putting on it. By a month, you will see that you will have the saplings ready in which you can put it into a bigger pots. And by December, you should start doing the harvesting of this plant. So capsicum is the first. Second I got is methi kasturi. And I think methi के पराठे जिससे याद आ जाते हैं और such yum methi ke parathe my mom used to make, and this was way back when I was at home when we were small kids. और हम तब उस समय घर से ही काटा करते थे मेथी और घर पे ही ग्रो हुआ करते थे. And I think it's come a no circle again, the circle of life, that again we are trying to grow this home food because we don't know what we are eating outside. So methi I think has a very very good taste when it's grown indoors, when it's grown at home, and I think you can do it. It doesn't require to put it in a smaller ones. You can directly put it into your final pot, so maybe in a bigger pot, or if you have bigger pots like I have shown in my earlier episodes, you can use them. Methi does very good. You'll have a crop in 70 to 90 days actually, so by December you will be ready to harvest it. And the third seeds you can grow, that's also my winter favorite. It's a lettuce iceberg. Lettuce, by the way, I think everybody of all must have had salads from Subways, and I think if you want to grow your own salads at home and don't want to go to a Subway and just harvest at home on a Sunday morning and have your own salad day, I think you should start doing lettuce here. Very easy to grow again, does very good around in winters. I think you will not require anything to be done here. Just sow them and do it in a potted mix. You will again have a harvest by December. All of these crops we are talking about, you will start having harvests in December and January, so you need to get ready for them. The fourth one, I think I have, this one is coriander. So I think coriander हर घर में लगता है, धनिया हर घर में लगता है, इसके पाउडर्स में भी यूज़ करते हैं, but I think I use it for garnishing on the omelets, on any of the egg dishes. The flavor it gets is awesome. So coriander again is a 60 to 90 days crop. So आज अगर आप सितंबर में लगाएंगे, you will get it the harvest in November end or December around. Again does very good. It's an all season one, so you can grow any time of the year. But I think winters it gets best because of मेथी के पराठे पे या फिर गोभी के पराठे के ऊपर जब मम्मी इसकी गार्निशिंग करती हैं, उसकी जो स्मेल होती है, it's super awesome. That's the must-have, I think. Guess what? This seed is required all time of the year. It's a tomato, by the way. So I think टमाटर हमारे हर घर में, हर डिश में I think यूज़ होता है, especially in North India. चाहे वो प्यूरी बना रहे हैं, चाहे हम उसको salads में डाल रहे हैं, or you're using it for any of your dishes. I think even in bhurji, egg bhurji or paneer bhurji, you use tomatoes. Even in pastas, when you're cooking, you can have your fresh tomatoes and have a puree to grow this. This is another one. Cucumber is there. Cucumber again is an all-season one. It does good in summers, but I think in winters also the hybrid variety, especially the F1, I have seen it growing across in last year. So we got a good harvest. It was not as good, but in case you want cucumbers, you should try. But in case you have a selection of it, I think you should avoid. You can avoid it, but if you want to do it, you have to be a bit careful because it doesn't like frost. And North India में अगर आपको धुंध होती है या fog होता है, you have to save it from there. That's what is hazardous for this. If you are doing it in a greenhouse or if you have a greenhouse on a terrace, you can grow this one. Let's go to the next one. I think this is again a leafy one, spinach. You know, if you are like a papaya, if you like palak paneer, घर पे पालक उगाना आई थिंक इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट टू डू. ये स्मॉल कंटेनर्स में भी इतनी हो जाती है और आप उसको सेकंड थर्ड हार्वेस्ट भी देती है. सो इन केस यू आर डूइंग इट इन 60 days you harvest it, another 30-35 days you can have another harvest coming in. So आप एक ही उससे you can have so this one packet can give you almost 4 to 5 kgs of spinach at home. So आप अपने घर में आई थिंक इतनी ही अगर फैमिली ऑफ 4 or 5 है तो इतनी आपके घर में यूज़ होती होगी. एंड दिस इज समथिंग यू कैन डू इट एट होम. This one is specially for your pastas and your Italian. So guess what this is? It's a tomato, which is a cherry tomato. So frankly, I did this cherry tomato in this season also. And last time, I think last week, we were having these pasta where everything was made from home and from start. The only thing which topped in the whole dish was the smell and the flavor of the cherry tomatoes and the basils which we did. And the cherry tomato is one which will give you that same flavor. The freshness of it will be really unbelievable. The time it goes into your mouth, the flavor of it, that tingy flavor it brings in is so awesome. And I think we all cherished it. You can start doing now again. 3 months of a crop cycle, you will be able to have it in 90 days. The last two is this is chili pepper. So I think मिर्चे हर घर में यूज़ होती हैं. It's a very strong मिर्चा basically. This one specifically, it has a very strong flavor. So you need very less. अगर आप 2 डालते हो तो आप इसका एक में भी डाल के आपके घर में ये same flavor देगी in thing. And I think every Indian home, especially North Indian, this has been used. So this is also a good time to grow it. It does all season, especially the hybrid varieties I get. सो हाइब्रिड वैराइटीज़ जो हैं एक्चुअली टेम्परेचर एग्नोस्टिक हो जाती हैं. सो बहुत एक्सट्रीम जब तक टेम्परेचर्स नहीं होते हैं वो अच्छा करती हैं. तो ऑलमोस्ट साल के सारे साल चलती हैं. एंड आई थिंक राइट नाउ ऑल्सो यू कैन सो इट एंड हैव इट इन द विंटर्स. The last and the one of the very famous ones which I again use in my Italian is zucchini. So zucchini I think is something when you are growing your Italian or you're very fond of making food at home, especially you know your pastas and you know pizzas. I think pastas में बहुत ज़्यादा use होती है and we always use in pasta. So zucchini again is a very strong and very great flavored one. The taste becomes very nice. In case you have a trellis, is why you should do, because this will be a vine variety and will go all over. So these are the 10 varieties we have this time, which you can actually do it for your winters. You know, here is the list of all these 10 options again on the screen, which you can look around. All of them, this is the time in September when you need to sow it. Most of them are very easy to grow crops, not much required. But in case you want to know more about it, do follow our Seeds of Life page, where I talk about each plant specifically. And as things grows, I will teach you, and I am also sowing all of them. So we'll do a lot of these videos in coming times and talk about what are the problems these plants bring to you. So in case you're not able to have flowers, or in case the flowers are not getting into the fruits, we will talk about in the coming videos. So that's from our side. 10 vegetables, winter vegetables you should do right now, sow right now, so that you can harvest in winters. Don't wait, just start sowing it, start gardening. Trust me, gardening is the biggest happiness you can bring around in your life, especially in these days. I am talking to so many people and everybody is talking about that, you know, gardening makes them happy. Growing their own food makes them happy. And if you are able to grow your own food, you can even save some money at home from your regular vegetables you buy. You know, I am saving it. I'm sure you can also save it. Thank you so much for coming here and watching our episodes. In case you like more about us or want to see more videos on how we grow our own food, do subscribe to the channel below and also put the bell button so you keep getting our updates. We'll be talking a lot also on our Instagram channel, which you can follow with the name of Nurturing Green, where we talk about various tips and tricks on how you can grow your own food and how gardening makes you more happy. Thank you so much again. See you. Bye-bye. Do subscribe to our channel, My Plant My Baby, on YouTube.